In this video, I will be walking you through installing Akita in AWS ECS. In just a few minutes, you'll be able to see what API endpoints you have, which endpoints are slowest, which endpoints are most busy, and more. These instructions will show you how to configure ECS to run Akita as a sidecar in each container you deploy. As a prerequisite to setting up the Akita agent in ECS, make sure you have walked through initial onboarding in Akita's dashboard to create your first project and API credentials. Additionally, verify that the Akita agent will have access to the following permissions in AWS. To start, we'll run the Akita agent via Docker, which will automate the installation of Akita in ECS. You'll need to pass the API credentials you've created in Akita as environment variables to the container. Additionally, you should mount the directory containing your AWS credentials. This will be used by the Akita agent to perform actions on your behalf. To finish, specify the ECS add command, which will be used for installation. Use the project name created in Akita for the command's project flag. Once executed, the CLI will prompt you for several pieces of information. First, you should provide the name of the AWS profile credentials you wish to use. If you only have one profile in your AWS credentials file, just hit enter. Second, select the region that your ECS application runs. Next, select the task definition which will be used to monitor Akita. Lastly, from the list of services running the selected task definition, choose which service to restart once Akita has been added. This will be the service that Akita will monitor. After completing the CLI's interactive prompt, verify that the Akita agent is functioning by checking out your API traffic in Akita's web dashboard. Akita documents your API traffic exhaustively, which empowers you to have a transparent understanding of your system. Akita's dashboard provides an all-in-one solution for viewing your API models along with their corresponding metrics and errors. The overview page provides quick insights about your overall traffic amount, latency, and errors over the past week. For a more comprehensive view of your API models, navigate to the API Model tab. Here, you can look at your endpoints by amount of traffic, P90, and search your endpoints by path. To narrow down your search, you can also filter your endpoints by different kinds of properties such as HTTP method, host, or authentication type. If you'd like to view or share your API models in a more standard format, click here to download the open API specs generated by Akita. For real-time information on the health of your app or service, we can navigate to the Metrics and Errors page. This page provides a visual breakdown of traffic, P90, and error counts per endpoint. Just like the API model page, you can quickly target specific endpoints by using the search bar or filters. You can also view your top endpoints based on error count, traffic, or latency. Installing Akita in ECS will empower you and your development team to have a better understanding of your underlying systems. For more information on how to install Akita in ECS, navigate to the AWS ECS documentation under the Get Started section at docs.akita.software. If you want more configurability, we also have separate instructions for running ECS with a host network. If you haven't already joined Akita's private beta, head over to akitasoftware.com to sign up.